Nathan Kalb Nature Show. And today we have very rare guest. It's Charlene, the eagle specialist. And guess what? We're looking for eagles today.
I'm retarded, so I'm just kidding.
Yeah, she is. Okay, we're looking for him. Oh, what's it know?
What's to know?
It's Retarded Eagle, our very good friend. Now, what kind of eagle exactly is this?
Let me see. Well, to me, I think it is a fartomatic.
Farting. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Now, this looks like a very young, immature bird. Okay? Let's see if this one can fly. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3! Whoa!
Hold on. What a nice bird.
Excuse me. Hey, kid. Hey, kid. Hey, kid. Come here. Hey, kid. Hey, come here.
Yeah, good ducky.
Excuse me. Hey, no! No! I got it! Give me the bird!
Here, let's say
Scared.
fruit bird. Let's say fruit bird. Fruit bird.
No, Charlene. It's not a good idea. I think it's had enough for today. Bye.
It's the Nathan Kalb Nature Show.